Walking tours of Koge's city center in August and September 2024. The tour started with Ove's nieces helping me buy a pair of walking sandals to allow me to deal with the cobblestones covering all the streets and squares in the old city center. First, we identified the location of the Catholic church I could attend Sunday Mass at. The Norske Love building dates from the 1700s. This is one of the two imposing water towers in Koge's city center. School building that dates from 1859. One of the many half-timbered buildings in historic Koge. St. Nicholas Church is a late Gothic church from about 1400. View of its imposing tower. The church interior. The Last Supper, part of the beautiful altarpiece from 1652. The organ. The pulpit, created by Hans Holst in 1624. One of the many interesting epitaphs from the period 1584 to 1678. Time for a break to enjoy Ove's favorite, French hot dogs. Koge's Market Square, with an area of 9,940 square meters, is the largest outside of Copenhagen. Statue of Frederick VII. The market square has been on this site since the Middle Ages. Koge's musical festival takes place every year. It used to take place at the market square, but that area was not big enough, so a few years ago they moved the festival to this park, only a few blocks from the square. On September 1st, I continued the Koge City Center walking tour, but this time on my own. Koge Museum, located in the old merchant's house from 1619. Now in view a brick building from 1865, and next to it the Koge apotheke building, founded in 1646 but altered in circa 1800 and again in 1865. The second water tower in Koge's city center. Koge's cemetery. The Koge Town Hall building dates from the 16th century, but adapted in the neoclassical style in 1903. The building has a simple yellow facade, tipped by a triangular pediment. Two of the statues von Düren's terracotta reliefs from the Renaissance Town Hall flank the main entrance. The modern extension consists of two long, glazed rear wings flanking a glass-covered alleyway which continues all the way to Koge Station. Koge municipality grew significantly in the 1970 Danish municipal reform, and an architectural competition was launched for the expansion of the town hall. It was won by Arkitektgruppen Aarhus, now Arkitema Architects, and was their first major project.